English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're very happy to have you with us today,
Today's topic is very simple.
but very powerful.
Today, we're talking about weather and small talk.
Yes, this is how many English conversations start.
Let's start with a simple question. What is small talk?
Small talk is short, friendly conversation.
It's not deep.
It's not serious.
It's just a way to connect.
And one of the most common small talk topics is
The weather.
people talk about the weather because
It's easy.
everyone experiences weather.
And it's safe. No personal questions.
That's why weather is perfect for beginners.
Let's learn some basic weather words. Listen and repeat. Sunny,
Cloudy,
rainy,
windy,
cold.
hot. Very useful words.
Now let's use them in sentences. It's sunny today.
It's very hot.
It's raining. Now let's learn how to ask.
You can ask, how's the weather? What's the weather like today?
Listeners, repeat. How's the weather? What's the weather like today?
You can answer simply.
For example, it's sunny. It's cold today. It's raining.
You can also add one small detail. It's sunny and warm. It's cold and windy.
Okay, Daniel, let's show a simple conversation.
Hi, Emma. How's the weather today?
Hi, Daniel. It's sunny and warm. What about there?
It's a bit cloudy, but nice.
That sounds good. Important tip.
After weather, add one more sentence.
For example, it's sunny today. I like this weather.
It's raining, so I'm staying at home.
This keeps the conversation going. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. It's sunny today.
It's cold and windy.
How's the weather?
Great job.
Okay, Daniel, now let's make weather talk more fun.
Yes, because weather talk doesn't have to be boring.
Here are some very natural comments people use.
Listen carefully.
It's really hot today.
It's so cold.
It looks like it's going to rain.
Very common. Very real.
You can also complain a little.
People love to complain about the weather.
For example, it's too hot today.
It's freezing.
That's small talk gold. Now let's add feelings.
This makes your English sound more natural.
For example, it's sunny and I feel happy.
It's raining, so I feel lazy.
Very honest English. Daniel, how do you feel when it's rainy?
Lazy and sleepy.
Same here.
Weather small talk is very common at work.
Yes, especially in the morning.
For example, good morning. It's cold today, right?
Yes, very cold.
Short, friendly, perfect.
No deep thinking needed.
Now imagine this.
You're waiting for a bus,
You can say, it's very hot today.
and the other person says, yes, it's really hot.
Boom. Conversation started.
No stress, no pressure.
Let's show a fun conversation. Hey, Emma, how's the weather today?
It's really hot. I don't like this weather.
Same here. I want winter.
Winter? No way.
Okay, maybe spring.
Let's fix some small mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Today, weather is hot.
Correct sentence. The weather is hot today.
Mistake number 2. It raining today.
Correct version. It's raining today.
Small words matter.
Repeat after me. It's really hot today.
It looks like it rain.
I like this weather.
Great job.
Here's a very important tip.
Smile even when you speak.
People can hear your smile.
And smiling makes English easier.
Before we finish today, let's talk about something important,
Small talk may sound small.
but it's actually a big skill.
It helps you start conversations.
It helps you feel comfortable.
And it helps you connect with people.
Many learners think, my English is not good enough.
But small talk does not need perfect English.
Simple sentences work best.
It's hot today. It's raining.
That's real English. Now, let's listen to a full small talk conversation slowly and clearly.
Listen first. You can repeat later.
Hi, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's nice. I like this weather.
Me too.
Simple, friendly, natural. Now, let's listen again a little faster.
Don't worry if you miss a word or two.
Hi, how's the weather?
It's sunny.
Nice weather today.
Yeah, it is.
That's exactly how people talk.
Here is your challenge for today.
Start one small talk conversation in English.
You can talk about weather, today, how you feel.
Even one sentence is enough.
If you feel nervous,
That's normal.
confidence does not come from waiting.
It comes from trying.
One sentence today is progress.
If you are watching this video,
It means you want to speak English in real life.
you are learning,
You are improving.
and we are very proud of you.
Now go to the comments.
Write one small talk sentence.
For example, it's very hot today.
And if this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
we post new English conversations every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.